Hey, welcome back to Money Zone. Imagine earning rewards effortlessly, no matter where you are. Sounds good, right? Whether you're lounging at home or on a quick break at work, the opportunity to earn is always at your fingertips. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss out on the latest ways to make money online. And hey, let me know in the comments which country you're watching from, so I can create videos tailored to your region. Alright, let me introduce you to EarnLab, the ultimate rewards platform that puts you in control. Whether you want cash, gift cards, or even crypto, you get to choose how you're paid. It's all about giving you the freedom to decide what works best for your lifestyle. So how does EarnLab make earning online so simple? First off, signing up is a breeze. You can get started in just a few clicks, and before you know it, you're ready to start earning. You can use your email, Google, Facebook, or even Steam. Just pick what works best for you. No complicated forms, no hassle. It's all about making the process as smooth and user-friendly as possible. Once you're in, you've got two main ways to earn, each designed to fit different interests and schedules. The Earn section, where you complete offers like surveys, app downloads, and partner promos. These tasks are straightforward and can be done in your spare time. And then there's the Games section, where you can play boxes and battles. These games are not only entertaining but also rewarding. These aren't just for fun. These games actually give you a shot at winning bigger rewards, just for playing. It's a win-win situation where entertainment meets earning potential. So if you like a little excitement with your side hustle, this is definitely for you. It's a great way to add some thrill to your daily routine while making some extra cash. But wait, there's more. EarnLab isn't just about grinding tasks. It's about making the most of your time and efforts. There are daily and monthly leaderboard competitions, so if you're a top earner, you can snag bonus prizes. It's a fantastic way to challenge yourself and earn even more. And if you like the idea of passive income, EarnLab's referral system lets you earn commissions from anyone you invite. Every time they cash in, you get a piece of the action. It's a simple way to build a steady stream of income. When it's time to cash out, you're in control. You decide when and how you want to receive your earnings. Pick from PayPal, a huge selection of gift cards, or even crypto. The choice is yours, and it's all about what suits your needs best. No waiting weeks for payouts. You choose what fits your life. It's all about convenience and flexibility. What I really love about EarnLab is how flexible it is. You can earn on your own terms wherever you are. Got a few minutes on your lunch break? Knock out a quick survey. It's a productive way to use your time and earn a little extra. Want to turn downtime into dollars? Play a game or two. It's a fun and easy way to boost your earnings. You can earn from anywhere, anytime, all on your own terms. Whether you're at the park or in a coffee shop, the possibilities are endless. So what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. Your feedback helps me improve and bring you the best content possible. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Sharing is caring, and it helps others discover these amazing opportunities. There are tons more ways to make money online coming your way, so stay tuned. I'm constantly exploring new methods and platforms to help you maximize your earnings. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, happy earning and take care.